progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
In 1990, the United Nations General Assembly designated 1st October as International Day of Senior Citizens. According to United Nations, by 2050, the world's population aged 60 years and older will reach up to 2 billion. Today, 125 million people are aged 80 years or older. Every year, the United Nations has a separate theme for International Day of Senior Citizens. The aim is to improve the care of older people, to educate the public about the rights of older people, and give guidelines to the governments to adopt laws that would prevent abuse of older persons and improve their quality of life. The United Nations International Day of Older Persons 2021 theme is Digital Equity for All Ages. This predicates the need for access and meaningful participation in the digital world by older persons. With the theme Digital Equity for All Ages, Karnataka celebrated its International Day of Senior Citizens at Ravindra Kala Kshetra, Kannada Bhavan, Bengaluru. The event was presided by Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai, Deputy Chief Minister Govind Karjol, MLA of Chikpet, Dr. Uday B. Garudachar and others. CM Bommai on Friday inaugurated a helpline for elderly people. The helpline is initiated by the Nightingale Medical Trust of Bengaluru under the guidance of the state government with an aim to provide senior citizens with the necessary information, guide and emotional support when needed. On World Senior Citizens Day, the state government awarded 1 lakh cash and certificates to NGOs and organizations that offered excellent services to senior citizens. The event was concluded with CM's wise words and with a hope to work towards this year's theme of World Senior Citizens Day.